Welcome to the tutorial session of creating flight plan on Ortho. Begin with clicking on DroneNaksha on AeroMegh dashboard. Here you will see all projects created. Select one project to proceed. Go to Plans. From the many available plans, we are selecting Multispectral Images plan. Go to Maps Created. Hide Measurements. And proceed by clicking on Plant Health. Click on the drag down to select filter type. Here we are selecting RGBM. Proceed with creating mission plan. Herein you can initiate your mission. Select NDVI from orthomosaic option. Proceed by adding details to the mission. Add a plan name. Select a flight type. Here we would be selecting spraying. Provide with the necessary parameters. Mention altitude and speed of the drone. You can see spraying plan created here. Select from the orthomosaic available options. We are proceeding by selecting NDVI and marked the option of continue spraying. You can adjust your grid as per the need to perform spraying mission. Select various options for drone spraying using AeroGCS. Set spacing in meters and adjust turnaround angle of the flight. Wait until the plan is being created. Proceed by clicking on AeroGCS on the left-hand bar. You can see recent plans and flight logs on AeroGCS Enterprise. When you click on Projects, all projects created shall appear. You can visit and view easily. Thank you for watching DroneNaksha tutorial video.